Welcome to OneSignal. In this video, we will demonstrate how to add, remove, and update data tags on a user record with a CSV file. In addition, we will show you how to create a custom segment using a CSV file upload. First, let's take a look at the CSV file to make sure that it's set up correctly. If the CSV is formatted incorrectly, your upload will fail. The file must be in UTF-8 encoding, it must be less than 1 GB in size, and should not contain any quotes or semicolons. In this case, we will be using the external ID to match the user and properties from our backend to users within OneSignal. Second, each tag key should have separate columns, meaning if you have 3 tags, then you would have 4 columns total. 1 column for the external ID and the remaining 3 columns for each tag key. Depending on how many external IDs you have, each row will have a tag value associated to that user. If no tag value is set, you can choose to delete the key after the CSV is uploaded within our dashboard. To delete the tag, you can leave the row empty for that column. Then within the dashboard, select the option to delete identifier and tag values if the columns are empty. In this example, let's delete the tag which we previously added. If you'd like to create custom segments based on a list of subscriptions, you can import this list of subscriptions via a CSV file. Then toggle on the option that says automatically create a segment for this import. This will set another tag on every subscription and create a segment for you all automatically. Congrats! Your segment should now be created. To locate your created segment, you could either click on Audience tab, then Segments, or you could click on Audience, Subscriptions, then select the segment from the drop-down menu. Lastly, you should receive an email after submitting your CSV file. This email will include overall details regarding any failed imports, edited records, and successful imports. From the received email report, you'll be able to see the number of detected rows, skip rows, any invalid subscriptions, any subscriptions that were created, and subscriptions that were updated. If you have any questions, you could always contact our support team for assistance or email us at support@onesignal.com. Thank you for watching.